Good morning, students. Today, our topic is conversion of units of weight. We have already discussed what is weight and what are standard unit of weight. Today, we will discuss about conversion of units of weight. So, let us start. First of all, we must know that what are standard units of weight. We have already discussed that standard unit of weights are kilogram, gram and milligram. Kilogram is the bigger unit, gram is smaller than kilogram and milligram is smaller than gram. Okay, so today we will convert bigger units into smaller units. Okay, we will convert bigger units into smaller unit. For this, we must know units of weight. Bigger unit is kilogram, then gram, then milligram. So, we will convert kilogram into gram and gram into milligram. So, let us start. For this, we already know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram and 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. So for converting bigger units into smaller unit, we should know these conversions. When we will convert kilogram into gram, we will convert 1 kilogram into 1000 gram. 1 kilogram contains 1000 gram. Similarly, 1 gram contains 1000 milligram. So let us discuss with the help of some examples. Suppose first example is we want convert 4 kilogram into grams. Okay, for this we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Here are two units, kilogram and gram, so we will write the relation between these two units. Okay, kilogram and gram. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. For converting 4 kilogram, now we are talking about 4 kilogram. 4 kilogram is equal to how much gram? We will multiply 4 by 1000. Why? Because we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram and kilogram is bigger unit and gram is smaller unit. For converting bigger unit into smaller unit, we have to multiply always. When we will convert a bigger unit into smaller unit, we always multiply the units. Okay, so 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, so 4 kilogram is equal to 4 into 1000 means 4000 gram. So 4 kilogram is equal to 4000 gram. Okay, we can convert like this. For example, second example, if we want to convert 9 kilogram into grams, now in the same way, 9 kilogram means 9 kilogram is equal to 9 into 1000. Why? Because 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So 9 kilogram is equal to 9 into 1000 gram. So our answer is 9000 gram. So 9 kilogram is equal to 9000 gram. Okay, let us discuss one more example. Suppose we want to convert 23 kilogram into grams. Okay, now we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So 23 kilogram is equal to again how much? 23 into 1000 means 23,000 gram. Okay, so we can convert kilogram into gram like this. Now similarly, we can convert gram into milligram because gram is the bigger unit and milligram is the smaller unit. Again we know that 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram again. So for converting gram into milligram, we will again multiply by 1000 because gram is bigger unit and milligram is smaller unit. For converting bigger into smaller, we always multiply. So let us discuss with the help of example. Suppose we want to convert 9 gram into milligram. Okay. Now 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. So 9 gram is equal to how much? 9 into 1000, 9000 milligram. Okay. Let us discuss one more example. Suppose we want to convert 30 gram into milligram. Okay. Again, as we know, 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. So 30 gram is equal to how much? 30 into 1000 means 30,000 milligram. Okay. So we can convert like this, kilogram into gram and gram into milligram. Now let us discuss another example. If we want to convert kilogram and gram into gram, okay, suppose we have both units, kilogram and gram, and we want to convert this into single unit like gram. Let us discuss with the help of example. Suppose I have 5 kilogram and 10 gram and I want to convert into gram. Then how will we get? In this example, we will convert kilogram into gram and then we'll add gram to the answer. Okay. Now again you can see here 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So 5 kilogram is equal to 5 into 1000 means 5000 gram. Now we have convert kilogram into gram, but we have already 10 gram. So we will add these 10 gram to this 5000. Okay. So our answer is 5010 gram. So for converting kilogram and gram into gram, we will convert kilogram into gram, then we will add the given gram to the answer. Okay, let us discuss one more example. Suppose we have 20 kilogram and 5 gram and we want to convert into gram, single unit gram. Okay, so we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, and we know that 20 kilogram is equal to how much? 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So how much 20 kilogram? 20 into 1000, as we have already discussed about it, it will become 20,000. Okay, we have convert 20 kilogram into gram, but we have already 5 gram more. So we will add these 5 gram to 20,000. So our answer is 20,005 gram. So our answer is 20,005 gram. Okay. Now let us discuss one more example. Suppose you have 3 kilogram and 320 gram. Okay. You want to convert into gram. So how I will convert? Now again 3 kilogram is equal to how much gram? 3 kilogram is equal to 3 into 1000. How much is equal to 3000 gram. Okay. Now 320 is already given to us. So we will add these 320 to this 3000 gram. Okay. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 2, 2. 0 plus 3, 3. And again you can write here 0. 3 plus 0, 3. So answer is 3320 gram. So for converting mixed unit gram and kilogram to gram, we have to convert kilogram into gram and then we will add the given gram to the answer. Okay. So we have already discussed converting kilogram into gram, gram into milligram. Okay, so today we have discussed about conversion of bigger units into smaller, like kilogram into gram, gram into milligram, and mixed unit kilogram and gram into milligram. Okay, similarly we can convert gram, milligram, mixed unit of gram and milligram into milligram also. For example, I have given 3 gram 10 milligram and I want to convert into milligram. In the same way as we have convert kilogram and gram into gram, in the same way 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. So 3 gram is equal to 3000 milligram. But 10 milligram is already given to us, so we will add these 10 milligram to our answer. So our answer is 3010 milligram. Okay, in this way we can convert bigger units into smaller units.